Welcome to the Traders Market Intelligence Report, brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. This update is for Monday, November 3rd, 2025. Hope you're having a great day. Hope it's been a good trading day for you. As we get started, keep in mind everything we look at is for education. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. If you find something you like, anything, make sure it fits your own personal risk profile and risk tolerance. All right, so we're going to start off with the economic reports. Guys, we just don't know if any of them are accurate or not. With everything going on with the government shutdown right now, it's a coin flip, right? So ISM, which is Purchasing Manager Index, is a big one. It's Monday at 10 o'clock. We'll give that a rank of 1. The market's open and it's red. The ISM manufacturing prices, that'll get a 1 as well because they're just at the same time. It doesn't matter, right? JOLTS, big report. Yes, it is important. I don't know if it's a 1 or a 2. It just depends on when it's coming out. 8:15 in the morning. I'm not as worried about that, but ISM Purchasing Managers Index, I am. Right, so that one, that's services versus manufacturing on Monday. Unemployment claims, that's normally at 8:30, but it is a big report. Waller is speaking. A lot of question marks there. I don't know who dissented or who said they didn't want an increase, who said they wanted a half-point increase. I'm not sure who was who. If Waller was one of those, we could have a very strong argument in one direction, driving the market a little bit, so we'll see. But it could be a big report. And then all tentative on Friday, as far as non-farm payrolls, unemployment rates, all of that type of stuff, all tentative there, all right? So let's go look at the market and see what's happening today. So on the S&P 500, here we are on Happy Halloween, by the way. We've had our share of trick-or-treaters already today. Yes, I am doing this Friday in the afternoon. The market does still have about 5 minutes left until it closes. So we gapped up on the open today. High of the day, right about the high of the day, and we failed ever since. We pulled back to about the lows of yesterday, which also gives us a confluence of our 8 exponential moving average. So I love seeing that. I love that those are kind of quasi-connected in there right now. Off of those bottoms. It's a little far away yet from the fib, but not bad. Overall, right now, we're in a bullish bias. We're at a rank of 3. As I said, we've got about 5 minutes left. You can see here, 15:55. We've got about 5 minutes left until the market does completely close. The week is over. Good riddance to it. I'll be happy. We hit a couple of all-time highs. A lot of craziness, though, around everything. If we look at VIX, fear. So we're down a little bit on the market. We're up 37 cents on the VIX. So if we go back to the S&P, we're up 26. So we're down a little bit on the market, meaning from where we opened. And we're still up. What I was kind of trying to get at. We're still up on the VIX, right? So we're higher on the S&P from yesterday, and the VIX has gone up. VIX value, to me, has dropped off drastically from where it used to be. So good, bad, or indifferent, it is what it is. We look at the fibs itself. Let's look at some targets and see where we're going next. So I'm going to grab a pen here. We've got this 68.29 level as our next support, and then 67.91 is the one from there. Now, I've got a rank of 1 right here with, if we come down to that level, with where the moving average is. My crosshairs were kind of over the line, but the 69.08, 69.09, that's our first upside target, as well as having the all-time high in there. So this is very important. We had a swing high, and then we had a swing low. We had a higher swing high, but we had a lower swing low. Not by much, but we were down lower. 65.69 down to 65.51. We were lower. We now put in a higher swing high. Can we maintain a higher swing low? That's going to be the critical point. Now, if we drop all the way back to the 65.51, Houston, we got a problem, right? We will have now violated all moving averages in there. So I'm not expecting it to, but that's what we're looking for. If we can get a bounce off of this 68.29 level, where the fib is and the 8 moving average, if we can get a bounce off of that level, it's a key area, a good consideration of, is that a place to start taking some long directional trades. And with that, everyone, I want to take a look at one more thing, the 5-minute for today. So kind of sloppy, down, up, down, and then climbing back up again. Failed right at the very end there. We've got 2 minutes left, just under 2 minutes until the close of the day. The gap was closed up, which was good that we took care of that, got that out of the way. We go back to the daily chart. Plenty of opportunity, plenty of room to move in either direction. I'd love to see the move right down to the fib line, right down to the moving average, close of at least a 5-minute candle there and bounce, you know, a couple of candles later. That would be a great opportunity all the way up to that 69.10. So with that, everybody have a great rest of your day, and I will see all of you at our next update. Bye for now.